Good morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. One of the most asked question in today's market scenario is that as Nifty and Sensex are making new all-time highs every day, investor wants to know whether Indian equity markets are overvalued, whether it is going to continue to move higher or not. In today's presentation, we're going to discuss that first, and then we're going to discuss outlook on Rupee. To answer whether the Indian equity market is overvalued or not, we will do a study of one of the most famous indicator, which is called Warren Buffett indicator. Warren Buffett indicator क्या होता है? Warren Buffett indicator is nothing but an index or an indicator which says that total market capitalization of all listed company in the country divided by the GDP of that country. If you see the table, India's current Warren Buffett indicator is trading close to 113%. अगर लास्ट 10 साल का एवरेज लेंगे विच इज़ एट 95%, ऐसा अज्यूम कर सकते हैं वी आर ट्रेडिंग above our 10 years average. But whether it indicates it is overvalued or undervalued, let us go and see one more table. If you see the table, if any country is having a percentage greater than 120%, it indicates that the country equity market is significantly overvalued. But currently we are near 113. It indicates that we are modestly overvalued. Now the question is whether the entire market is modestly overvalued, or there are some segments of the market which are overvalued, or there are some segments which are undervalued. Let us analyze that in deeper. Now let us see one more interesting data point. It is often said that earning per share and Nifty's growth should move in the same direction, or they should move in a tandem. If you see the chart, it is clearly showing that earning per share and Nifty momentum is moving almost in the same direction, and it is indicating that Nifty is not significantly overvalued. And if you see the chart of Nifty small cap momentum and its earning, it is also showing the same kind of a story. Their earning per share and small cap momentum is moving in the same direction, which is also indicating that small caps are also not that significantly overvalued by this indicator. Now let us see what is happening in Midcap index. In the Midcap index, it is showing that their earnings have fallen down drastically in last couple of months, and the Nifty Midcap index is making newer highs every day. This indicator which is showing that Nifty Midcap is trading overvalued because of this reason. Now, before making an conclusion about Nifty Midcap stock, let us see what does technical chart says about Nifty Midcap index. There is a technical chart called Nifty Midcap divided by Sensex. In 2020, it went as low as 0.15. At that point of time, the charts were giving us an indication that in coming years, Nifty Midcap will outperform Nifty main index, or midcaps are going to outperform the large cap. And exactly that has happened in last 4 years. Now this indicator is showing us an indication that midcaps are going to underperform in the coming days as compared to Nifty or Sensex. When I say it is going to underperform, it means that if Sensex is going up by 10% or Nifty is going up by 10%, midcap will not move up by 10%, they are going to move up by 5%. And other way around, if Nifty is falling by 10%, then midcap index will fall more than 10%. Now let us give a level to what kind of an expectation we have in Nifty Midcap. By looking at the chart, it is clearly indicating that 22,500 to 22,700 is going to act as a strong resistance for Nifty Midcap index, and gradually we are expecting it to move towards 19,300 first target. Second target is 17,500, which is approximately 15 to 20% down from the current level. So basically we can conclude that an investor has to be underweight on mid-cap index and they have to move their portfolio towards large cap stocks. Now अभी सबसे मेरे फेवरेट पार्ट पे आ जाते हैं, आउटलुक ऑन रुपी. Before discussing outlook on rupee, let us see a technical chart of rupee. If you see the technical chart of rupee, rupee has taken great support at 8350 kind of a level, which is coincidentally having two supports, one 200-day EMA ka support and a trend line support. Now let us understand what are the fundamental factors which is going to affect rupee in coming days. To understand rupee view, we have to see where is crude oil trading. WTI crude is signaling that it has trading near bottom and we are expecting it to move at least by 5 to 10% in coming days. The trigger point can be geopolitical tension. So crude, we are expecting it to go up. Second indicator is dollar index and 10-year yield. Dollar index and 10-year yield have a great support near 100 kind of a level and 3.55 kind of a level. In coming days, we are expecting that dollar index and 10-year yield can move up because of various reasons like any escalation in geopolitical tension, any negative news from US election. Third, any negative data from Eurozone or UK economy can take dollar index to higher level. If dollar index moves higher, it can create a negative repercussion on all emerging market currencies. Third reason क्या हो सकता है? Sell off in Japanese equity market. The newly elected Prime Minister is expected to be more hawkish towards interest rate, increasing interest rate in Japan economy, which can trigger carry trade unwinding. As a result, all equity market across the world can see some kind of a selling pressure. Fourth is we have seen that RBI started buying near 8350 to 8355 kind of a level. Because of all of this reason, we expect that 8350 to 8355 will act as a strong support in coming days and the pair can move towards 8385 to 8390 kind of levels. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.